Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This story goes right back to my apprenticeship. I was learning machining at college while also working in production at a machine shop. One of our assignments was to make a step shaft on a manual lathe with several different diameters and external features. My college instructor wanted us to machine each diameter one at a time, following the traditional teaching method. But at work, I was learning a more efficient production approach, roughing and finishing the shaft in a way that reduced steps and improved consistency. So I decided to make two parts, one exactly how the teacher wanted it, and one using the production method I'd learned at work. When I handed them in for inspection, the teacher told me the production part had failed. According to him, a couple of the dimensions were undersized. That didn't make sense. I'd measured both shafts myself before handing them in, and they were comfortably within tolerance. So I took both parts into work the next day and asked our inspection department to check them. They measured every diameter and both shafts were completely in tolerance. Now, I was really curious. I took the parts back to college and politely asked the teacher if he'd measure them again. He did, and once again, he told me the production shaft was undersized. I then asked if I could watch him measure it. As soon as he put the micrometer on the part, I spotted the problem. He wasn't using the ratchet stop. Instead, he was tightening the micrometer by hand, squeezing it harder than he should. That extra pressure was enough to slightly deflect the reading and make the shaft appear undersized. I asked if he would measure it again using the ratchet. This time, every diameter was exactly where it should have been. Lesson learned. Even the best inspection equipment is only as accurate as the person using it. Precision measuring tools are designed to apply a consistent measuring force, and that's exactly why micrometers have a ratchet or friction thimble. Skip it and you can end up chasing problems that don't actually exist. It's a lesson I've never forgotten. Before questioning the part, make sure you're questioning the measurement. Have you ever had a part fail inspection only to discover the measurement was the real issue? I'd love to hear your story. So leave it in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.